Ford Motor Company fell after the company warned that earnings this year will be at the low end of their prior forecast. We both know that that is what's known as lowering your guidance, which never is a positive for a stock. You can do a whole bunch of things positive, perhaps raise the dividend, beat expectations, announce a new product that people really want or whatever it is. But Ford did not do that. And you know what, Pete? I know you know this. We had unusual activity. We had put buying out in December. So there you see it. In September, they were buying the F, symbol for Ford, December 11 puts. They bought 8,500. That's 850,000 share equivalent. They paid 73 cents for them. Well, those went over $1 today. Ford Motor Company fell by about 8%. It's down more than that right now. And it could plumb all the way down to that $9.50 level, Pete. These options don't expire till the third Friday in December, folks. So it might not be over yet, the pain for Ford.
Yep, and they got a lot of pain, and they're getting a heck of a lot closer to that 52-week low, John. Down 10% today, just a little over $10 a share, and $9.50 is the 52-week low. So we'll be keeping a close eye on that. You know, it's all about forecast. We talk about it all the time. This is a prime example of that, John, because what did they do? They beat on the earnings. They put up 49. They were looking for 47. They beat on the revenue. They put up 46 billion. They were looking for a little bit north of 44, 45 billion. So they beat on that number. But that net income, that was something that dropped significantly. They lost about 300 million bucks there. That's not so great. And then you reduce your outlook. That is never going to be a good thing. It absolutely isn't a good thing right now for Ford. That's the reason it's tanking to the point where it is right now. And it isn't all that far from the 52-week lows. It's not a name, John, that I think you just flush out of your system, but they've got to prove something. They've got to prove that going forward, they can do something a little bit better than what they're seeing right now. And what they're seeing right now is not good. They're talking about net income and where that dropped. That's a problem. And the forecast is a huge problem right now for Ford.
Yeah. Again, very few companies can survive a forward guidance that is weaker than the street expected.